our natural gas, as you can see for our analysis. Now we are actually going to see it as a key level here. We've highlighted now our price actually pushes up here. We'll take it as a support, and now we see that our price has actually fall when we're on our uptrend move. They actually saw this massive fall downward, and that is an indication that there's every possibility we might be going short in position, and you can actually go bullish. That is exactly what I am aiming to go bullish to actually hit here, because I'll be probably be taking here as a ranging movement. I don't believe we will continue to go bearish, as this is a good key level here. We can see once as that one serves as a resistance and giving us here as a support area here. And once our price hits our support, it's now time for us to actually take a buy position. Yesterday we opened bullish and we closed bullish. Now our price has just opened and no much movement, by the way, because we are currently at our Tokyo session. This is Tokyo session. When it's our London session, then we will see where our price will be moving. I am planning to go bullish, by the way. I should be able to go bullish, take profit around there. At least for today, we are currently at 6.771. At least we should be able to close it. We should be able to close for the day at 7.577. That is, I'm aiming to go bullish, by the way. Bullish between today and tomorrow. We should be able to close bullish between today and tomorrow and hit our targeted profit. That is about plus 11 percentage. That is at least good amount, still far, by the way. So our natural gas, we are able to go bullish on our daily time frame. On our 4-hour time frame, still bullish, by the way. As you can see, our price has broken this our previous higher highs. You can see a push up, a retracement, now a push up, which our price has broken our previous higher highs. We are seeing a retracement, then a push up again, waiting for our price to break this higher highs, our recent higher highs, break above it and continue to go bullish on our 4-hour time frame. So that is the analysis. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you find this video helpful.